It's Kate from All of You. We're back. Last time I showed you how to set up the tank, and this time I'm going to show you how to do some simple soldering. So the tank is on, the pressure's set at 3 or 4. That's pretty much all you need. I've pre-cut and shaped a ring. We're just going to do a simple ring. Make sure the seam is flush. You're going to put just a little bit of flux on the seam where you'll be soldering. It'll keep it clean. I've already pre-cut my soldering chips right there. With silver, you're going to heat up the whole entire ring until the flux runs clear and glassy. Pick up the solder, place it on the seam, and there it goes. After it's soldered together, take it while it's hot and put it in your quench pot, just water. You're going to take it out of there and move it to your pickle pot where it will clean it. So, good luck.